Hello! In this video I will show you how to enable Google Assistant to work on lock screen on ASUS ROG Phone 8. So you have to start with opening your Google application, then click on your avatar and go to settings. Now click on Google Assistant and now click on Hey Google and voice match. Now click here on Hey Google, then click on More and I agree, More, I agree, Next, Next, More, I agree. And now click on Voice Model and click Retrain Voice Model. OK Google, what's the weather tomorrow? OK Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Now click Next, Next, More, I agree. And now you can click back again and click on lock screen. Now click Yes, I'm in and make sure that this first option stays on. And now let's check if my Google Assistant will work on lock screen. OK Google. And as you can see, my assistant works on lock screen. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.